So now that you are becoming a pro in naming of organic compound, believing that you have watched the previous video and the rules we apply, now let's quickly look at this one. Our first step, as always, is to identify the family to which this compound belongs. Which family do you think this guy belongs? You need to study it and look at it very well. Okay, so the surface, I can see OH here. This is OH. This is or from the family of what? Alkanol, the or. So for the father, you are seeing OH attached to one of these carbon atoms. It shows that this compound is from the family of alkanol. So the name of this compound is going to end with or. Alright, so we've identified the surface. Let's check if we have a prefix. Of course, we have some prefixes here. You can see chlorine, bromine. They are all prefixes that are attached to what? The compound. So we have our prefix, we have our surface. The last thing we are going to look at is, or second to the last thing we are going to look at is the root name, the root name. So, and we do that by counting the longest continuous carbon chain. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we have 5 carbon here, 5 carbon. Of course, 5 is pent. Okay, pent. Now there's another information here also. You can see that there are single bonds between the carbon. So it means therefore that it's pentane, ane, because we have single bond. Okay, so it's a pentane. All right. Lastly, we are going to number the carbon atoms so that the surface will have the lowest numbering. Please take note of that. So the appropriate numbering for this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the appropriate, the correct one. If you number it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is a wrong numbering because you'll be giving the surface the largest number. Are we there? So this is now we know the position of the surface. The surface is in carbon number 2, and of course we have the prefixes. We have a prefix in carbon number 4. We also have a prefix in carbon number what? 3. All right. So how do we name this now? Now, when we have more than one prefix in an organic compound, this is another rule I want you to take note of. If you have more than one prefix in a given organic compound, you will name them in an alphabetical order. And also, if you have someone like chlorine, you don't call it chlorine, you call it chloro. If you have bromine, you don't call it bromine, you call it bromo, chloro. All right, so alphabetically, which do you think will come first? I believe that bro will come before chloro, A, B, C, D, is it not? So the name of this compound is, the bro is in carbon number 3. So this is 3 bromo, 4 chloro, pent, 2 or. 3 bromo, 4 chloro. How many carbon do we have here? 5. Pent. The or is in carbon number what? 2. So you say pent 2 or. Is that clear? Yes, that is how you name organic compound. Of course, there are thousands of organic compounds to name. I would like you to start practicing, and if you're finding anyone difficult, please place it right here at the comment section, and I will deal with it decisively.